back everybody to the second part of the video about why there is a property bull run that's happening right now.
Okay.
So, in this video, we'll cover more reasons about why we think that the property bull run is happening right now, as well as like the advice that we will give to anybody that is going through this and they're like, what should I do? Anyways, right now, what I think that you should do is click the like, share, and subscribe button so that you can help us with our YouTube algorithm, and also to just show that you appreciate this content. We'll
Thank
make
you.
more.
Yes,
Thank you
looking
so
forward
much.
to this.
Yes.
All right, let's start. Are we ready? Okay, let's go. One of the main reasons why people are buying houses is because of this thing called COVID. Now, let's think about it, right? Kate, what happens to working people right now in the COVID environment? They
have to work from home lah.
Yeah, they stuck at home, right? When you're stuck at home, something happens, Your home is not like a nice office environment, everybody sees for work. What do you have at home?
Well, you have your dogs, your chicken, your cat, your children, your spouse,
Howling
your
kids,
parents.
nagging wives. Okay?
Your parents.
Okay? Busybody mother and father and mother-in-law and father-in-law.
在做什么?
Yes, okay? And then they go knock, the kids come in, Papa, I want to play, Coco beat me, that kind of thing. It keys out, and then you gotta meet all your deadlines, right?
Yeah.
Last time you're like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was like that.
I cannot work from home, and then keys out, right? But now, what happened? They
The LL.
Yes.
LL again.
They no choice, right? You have no choice. So, if a house is too small, you really tahan. So what can you do if you want to create a space for yourself to work? You
Empty out a room.
but a lot of people are house congested. So what do? They
GG. GG. So this is exactly, Emily, can please come into frame. Come. This is exactly what we mean when we say work from home.
Yes.
This kind of thing happens. Come.
just pop your head. Just pop your head. Hi.
This kind of thing
Yeah,
happens.
this kind of thing happens. We work from home and suddenly one kid comes in and pop out, okay? So no choice, right? People have to buy a bigger house. If not, they cannot work from home,
Yeah,
right?
whoops.
They kena coerce, kena forced to buy a big house. So what happened right now? Big HDB got bought out. Big condominium get bought out. And then what else? When you have not enough space, you go
up some more.
right? You buy
Big house.
You buy
Semi-D, bungalow.
whatever. And a lot of these cases, it's not because they think that, it's a good buy, it's a good appreciation, or whatever. It's called bo pian,
Bobs.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bobs. Yeah,
Bo
bobs.
pian.
Yeah, bobs.
Boobs. So that's why the property prices goes up. Now the
Yeah.
big houses all gonna wipe out, right? LL, no choice. Buran,
Murah lah.
bo pian.
Buran lah.
Ay,
Bobs
jalan.
lah. But Papa, honestly doesn't make sense because all around, right, I see there's so much unemployment, there's a lot of retrenchment, like my friend of friends, or just friends, or friend of friend of friend, and everybody just get retrenched together. How come now, what's with that?
It's a very weird situation, okay? Unlike in 1997 and 2008, 1997 Asia financial crisis, 2000 global recession, okay? Those kind of hit, long zhong si, all die.
GG.
Okay, all GG. What's GG?
Good game.
I don't understand, okay? But basically, all kena jalat, okay? So, I thought GG is kena jalat. Okay. Anyway.
Jalat.
So basically, we have
Why
a
are you
situation.
even Singaporean?
We kena a situation right now in the COVID. There are winners and losers in the economy. Not everybody kena jalat. Okay, some
is just jalat with a G.
some is minor
jalat with a J.
One is super jalat, but there are some
Jalat.
not jalat. Shut up on this jalat thing. Okay, there are some who are winners in this.
Winner.
Are you listening?
I'm listening.
Okay, who are the industries that kena jalat now?
We have retail, like especially CBD Orchard, correct? Then after that, there is travel, especially air travel. So SIA, that one jalat. jialat with a G, jialat.
Okay.
Then after that we have hospitality, which is the hotels, everything. That one also die. Then after that, there is, what's the last one? There is tourism. Tourism also die, jialat.
Yeah.
Singaporeans don't like spend money, die.
Yeah. So these sectors, whoever work in these sectors, jialat, right? SIA retrenched a lot of people. Changi Airport Group, I don't know where they retrenched. If not, they're probably thinking of it. A lot of the CBD retail business, a lot of people don't work in their office anymore. They work from home, right? Nobody go to work in CBD. So nobody go to work in CBD. Nobody buy anything from CBD. So retrenchment and all this start happening in those areas. But these sectors, okay, do not represent the entire economy. There are winners as well. Who are possibly the winners in this COVID?
Online retailers.
Online retailers, yeah. Some more?
E-commerce, anything e-commerce, right?
Yeah. Now we have also got healthcare. People that take care of healthcare, you know, at one point in time, people sell face masks, you know, gloves and all this. They are booming, man. Who else are the winners?
Who else are the winners? Finance?
Well,
Finance always winner.
Not always win, but this time around, finance is pretty well to do, especially people who are in investment banking, people who are in US equities, right? The US stock market now is rocketing. Remember our previous channel? You all watch it. If not, please click the
Watch
link
now. It's here.
Is here? Is it here?
I
or
don't
here?
know.
Okay, we're here, right?
At the end of the video.
So you know, we told them, you know, earlier a few months ago that the whole stock market will have a bull run. They don't believe. Now it break record after record. A lot of people make money now. All right. So there are winners and the losers. And by the way, those people invest in Singapore stock market. Good luck to you. Die. Okay. So as a result, okay, this segment of the winners are enough to drive the economy, especially in the property sector, to go up. So this is not an economic crisis that hits across the board. There are still sectors of the market that is still alive and very buoyant, and they are driving some of the property price increase, to my surprise.
罗先生，刚才我们讲了之类的东西，为什么我们现在不可以坚持的 invest?
Walao, I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
So, Papa, just now you said that there are going to be winners and losers in this economy. And then you said that, you know, those winners, those people in e-commerce, those people in healthcare, especially finance, right? They have a shitload of money right now, correct? So why are they going into property when there are so many other options that they can go into?
You think that's stupid?
Yes.
Yes. Yes equals no plus yes.
No, but yes.
Okay.
But no.
So basically, right now in the whole universe of investment opportunities out there, almost everything is shit. Right? Why did I say so? You look at the thing that glitters. What's that thing called?
Go.
Gold. Yeah, gold.
Carry.
Yeah, okay. So, gold.
Go.
Can you stop that, please?
Go.
Okay. Gold is at a 30-year high, okay? And gold usually is a asset of crisis. So that's why in COVID time, the prices went really high. The problem is that it's too high right now. And more or less, the effect of crisis is dying down, right? So therefore, it's a bit risky to invest in gold now. So people are not going to gold, right? What's next, right? Look at equities, stocks and shares, right? You look at the Singapore stock market. It's called Sibei Jialat, right? So the STI hit a high of 3,000 points when 2007 or 8 at times.
GG.
All the way until now, it has never recovered. Okay, so Singapore stock market is pretty shit. Okay,
It has been more than a decade.
And in fact, I'm gonna shoot another video about this. Right? Please do not invest in Singapore stocks. But let's leave that debate to another day. The US stock market, on the other hand, damn good. The Nasdaq, right? The S&P 500. Break record after record after record. I told you all that the stock market is gonna. Nevertheless, But the market is now so high. Everybody say, hey, a bit dangerous to go in now, right?
Always dangerous.
Yeah, well, I don't disagree with you, right? So the US stock market is dangerous, the Singapore stock market is shit, okay? So what else do we have, okay? Maybe let's invest in bonds. But then, because bonds is inversely correlated to interest rates. Remember we talked about interest rate just now? Interest rate is now all-time low. Therefore, the bonds is at all-time high, right? US stock market high, bonds all-time high, gold also high, okay? And then what do we have? Oh, there's one more thing you can do. Keep the money, okay, in the bank. Should you do that?
No.
Why?
Because then it doesn't accumulate anything.
Well, at least it's safe, okay? But there's two risks right now. What's the problem with the doing money? Yeah, globally, okay, all the central bank are doing one thing right now.
Printing money.
Wow.
Billions, right?
Trillions.
Trillions.
Yeah.
12 zeros.
Okay, is it 12-0?
Yeah.
Really? So, wow, your math so good.
No.
Okay.
I had to Google this.
Okay, so the trillions of dollars have been printed, okay, not just in the US, also in the Euro, okay, and in all other countries. I think the only country is not printing is Singapore, okay. So as a result, what do you think of the global asset prices? Okay, they were going.
Hyperinflate.
I don't know whether hyperinflation, but there's a pressure for prices to go up. As a result, what is the worth of your cash deposit in the bank?
Massively decreasing.
Yeah, it's decreasing. So people don't put money in bank. Besides, what's the interest rate right now in the bank?
0.01.
It's near kosong. Zero. Big fat zero. Come join me. One big fat zero. Right? Zero, right? We have a situation right now where gold prices are too high. Okay. US stock market are too high. Singapore stock market is like a graveyard. The bond prices are too high. Put money in the bank is too dangerous and yield almost near zero return. What else should people put money in?
Property lor.
Property.
Bo pian ready
Yeah,
lor.
it's called an investment of bo pian. Okay, it's
Expensive.
an investment of BP.
Bo pian.
Yes, no choice.
Bo pian.
That's bo pian lah. Hello. Okay.
So Papa, you have been saying that property is a shit investment. But the thing is that now you say it's bo pian. So do you LL have to eat your own words? So how?
The truth of matter is this, okay? Property is an essential part of everybody's life. You have to have a house to stay in, okay?
Right.
So in that sense, you know, make sure you have your own house and that will form a portfolio of your assets to some extent. Should you invest more in the property right now, okay? I think you have to go in with some level of caution. Why is it so? Because in Singapore, okay, we have a government.
Right.
Okay, my belief is that they don't mind stock market prices going up. Okay, they don't mind business going. In fact, they want businesses to do well. Okay, they want the whole economy to do well, but they super don't like property prices to go up. You know, once they form a bubble, they take one needle, one big fat needle, right? They did that. Okay, in years after years after years. You know, when I was in I think 1997, they did that. In more recent years, 2011, they introducing this thing called ABSD, additional buyer's stamp duties. And 2018, when the whole en bloc fever is going up, you know, they take one big fat needle, poke it again, right? So nobody can do en bloc right now. So basically, the minute they sense that there's a property bubble, they poof, straight away. So therefore, in Singapore, property investment dangerous from that perspective. But in two circumstances, you should buy a property. Number one, you need a house to stay.
Yeah.
Okay? And when your house needs changes, have more kids, okay? What?
You can make a house.
Make a house. Okay? When your house need increase bigger, okay? Then you should buy a bigger house, you know, more kids whatsoever. Or your house, you've changed your workplace whatsoever, your traveling is very difficult. That kind of reason, you should change your house, you should change your house. Second is this, okay? If you have invested so much into equity, so much in the bonds, you should have some, as a form of what you call portfolio diversification into property. I'm not against that. In fact, I encourage that, right? But other than that, many Singaporeans, the whole universe of investment asset is only surrounding number one, property. Number two, property. Number three, still property, right?
Why not another P?
What?
I don't know.
Okay.
Let's see. What other P's can it be? Pretty.
Okay.
Party.
Pangpui. Okay. So basically, what we have a situation where is that they are overly committed their entire wealth into an asset called property, and that's something quite risky, right? So, to sum up, ladies and gentlemen, it's probably true that we're going to continue to see the whole property market continue to heat up and they continue to have a bull run for some time. Okay. However, if you want to rush into it, make sure it fits a form of your strategy in terms of portfolio diversification, or there's a family or living needs for you to do so. Okay. Otherwise, go in with your eyes super open. Okay.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So we have come to the end of our video, and of course everybody, if you have watched all the way to here, might as well just hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and share it to your friends. And if you want more controversial topics to be discussed, let us know in the comments. Either that, or you can join us in our Telegram group, which we'll link down in the description box below. So everybody, stay safe, have fun, and buy property. Haha, bye bye.
I didn't say buy property. Okay. Alright, cool. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.